Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am here with all of you again with a very delicious recipe, and that is Schezwan Noodles. So without wasting any time, let's strike right in the video. So first up, in a boiler, I am going to add 5-6 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of salt and a little amount of oil. Mix all these nicely and then add the noodles to the water and then leave it to boil for 10 minutes. It is almost done. Cool the noodles with cold water and then add 2 teaspoons of oil. Mix the noodles with oil and then keep it aside. So now in a pan I am going to heat up some oil. I'll add enough oil because this is the oil which is going to fry all the vegetables. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of garlic which is finely crushed. Toss them for a few seconds. Next I am adding green chilies. Toss them as well. Now I am adding some regular onions which is finely chopped. If you want, you can also use spring onions or you can also use the combination of both. Mix all these nicely. And here goes the mushrooms. Cook them for at least 30 to 40 seconds until the rawness goes away and they become slightly golden brown. After cooking for a few seconds, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of a very finely chopped ginger. Then give them a quick mix. And then for flavoring, I am adding Schezwan sauce. Again toss them just for a minute. In a small quantity I am going to add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and then I am adding a little amount of vinegar. Now goes in red chili sauce. Now mix all these very nicely. Now add the noodles to it. Try to mix the noodles with the mixture very perfectly. And lastly, add some salt according to your taste. Cook them for last 2 minutes in a low-medium flame. And here you go guys, your Schezwan noodles are ready. Stay tuned for such simple, quick and easy recipe. Thank you.